You want to see proof that our history is a lie? Let's take a look at Kailasa Temple. This temple, first off, the rock is 6,000 years old. This entire site was carved down from one stone. And nobody knows how they did it. There's no record of this, nothing, okay? But it was said that the main temple was built in 18 years, according to a local legend. And it's just absolutely baffling, because all of this was carved out of one single rock. Can you imagine that? How unbelievably mathematical and intelligent and advanced you would have to be in order to do such a thing. How could you seriously carve this with primitive tools, even with advanced tools, to almost laser precision? Everywhere you look is just absolutely symmetrical. And the craziest thing is that 400,000 tons of rock were removed from the site in order to make this temple, so the experts have said. And it is a mystery to modern-day science and archaeologists.